What's going on, guys? TechLift here. Today we're going to be unboxing and giving you the first impressions of the Logitech MX Keys keyboard. Works seamlessly between PC and Mac. Pair up to 3 devices. Let's get into the video. Well, guys, this is a little too big for the overhead shot, so let me just take it out of this bad boy. I don't get why they did such a big old box for this tiny little thing, but I guess better safe than sorry, because if it would have been shitty packaging, we'd all be complaining, right? You guys can see there. Boom. Check it out. This is the Logitech MX keys. You guys can tell here. Boom. Finally ended up getting this bad boy. So go ahead and just unbox it. So excited for this. So again, packaging looks really nice. It looks very premium, as you guys can see there. But ooh, look at this box. This box actually looks freaking sweet. Check that out. MX on top there. Really nice. I'm impressed. I was impressed with the box as well. Little instructions here. Oh, that's awesome. Cool. So on switch, Control S, Bluetooth, blah blah. Ooh, it feels so heavy. It feels heavy right off the bat and super nice. All I'm gonna say is that it feels so heavy. Okay, so basically we got this little MX Master 3 if you want to get the mouse with it. I already have the MX Master 2S, which you guys can see right there. It's freaking absolutely amazing, guys. Check that out. Boom. Quick little view under here of this. I love this thing. It's freaking awesome. Anyways, put that to the side. Put this down here. Ooh, shoot, that's a little hard. And then we have another little receiver here, which I did get in my mouse as well. So little receiver there. We got a USB-C to USB-A cable. I believe my MX Master also came with it, but I believe it came with like a USB-C to USB-C, which was awesome, and it was super long. And I believe this is to charge it, so super helpful, super handy. Check that out there, guys. Super cool, nice quality cable as well. Then we just got a nice little instruction manual there. Yeah, nothing crazy, nothing too fancy there to see. Anyways, that is it for this box. Super cool looking. And here we have the mouse itself, guys. So right off the bat, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, this thing feels just as quality as this bad boy. So both of these together, wow, it feels heavy, like just premium. By premium I mean heavy. By heavy I mean premium. Like this feels really nice. This feels like it goes with it. Both of these paired together, you got a freaking awesome combo. Check that out. Like this bad boy, this right here, it's gonna be a freaking awesome killer combo. I'm so excited just because right now I am working with a Mac, as you guys can see here, and a PC as well, which is kind of off to the side, and I work between the two for my workflow. Oh, I haven't even felt the buttons yet. These buttons feel amazing. Anyways, guys, that's gonna go ahead and do it for the unboxing part of this video. So far, this keyboard looks and feels amazing. Feels like it's a $100 keyboard, if not more than that. It feels amazing, feels very quality, and I love the fact that it's ambidextrous in terms of Apple and Windows. Like I said, I work between Apple and Windows, so with the Logitech software that I'm super excited about, it'll let you go between both Apple and Windows seamlessly without pressing the button, or you could do that, just press the button. But I liked it because it's seamless, and also the buttons here are ambidextrous for the Apple and Windows. So not gonna have any issues there. Command, start, control, etc. It's just awesome and good to go. So that's gonna go ahead and do it for this unboxing. If you guys like this video so far, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, guys, and stay tuned for the full review after about a week or so, maybe a week or two of using this thing. I will give you guys an in-depth view because I do use my computer and my peripherals very much every single day, and this is something I've been looking into for about a year now, and I finally got it, and it pairs well with my mouse. So super excited about this. this, guys, so stay tuned for that review. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, guys. Many more videos to come on this channel. If you guys like tech, if you guys like unboxings, desk setups, that sort of thing, yeah, welcome to the channel. Tech Lift, let's go.